Jamaican man shot and killed by his wife in Philadelphia, United States. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot and killed in Philadelphia and his wife is accused of pulling the trigger, Pennsylvania police told reporters. The shooting happened at around 12:30 a.m. Sunday, May 25th at a home on Philadelphia North Side. Officers say that a 38-year-old man was pronounced dead at the scene with a single gunshot wound to his shoulder. This man has now been identified by his family in Jamaica as Kemar Simit. His wife has since been taken into custody, and during an interview she told police detectives that her husband broke into the home and threatened her. She said that he left a week earlier but came back and kicked open the back and front door to their house, according to the police report. Police haven't said if the woman is expected to face any charges, but an investigation is on the way. The police did not publicly identify the man as well. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.